Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Rakuten is a Japanese e-commerce and online retail company that operates a variety of services, including online shopping, travel booking, financial services, and more. It's often referred to as the Amazon of Japan. Rakuten also operates a loyalty program called Rakuten Points, where users can earn and redeem points for purchases made on the platform. If you're interested in making money through Rakuten, there are several ways to do so. 1. Online shopping. Rakuten offers an affiliate program called the Rakuten Marketing Affiliate Network. Website owners and bloggers can join this program to promote Rakuten's products and earn a commission on sales generated through their affiliate links. 2. Rakuten Cashback. Rakuten offers cashback to users who make purchases through their platform. You can earn a percentage of your purchase price back as cash, which can add up over time. 3. Rakuten Points. By using Rakuten services, including shopping and booking travel, you can earn Rakuten Points. These points can be redeemed for discounts on future purchases. 4. Rakuten Insight. Rakuten Insight is a market research company owned by Rakuten. You can participate in online surveys and market research studies through this platform to earn cash or gift cards. 5. Selling on Rakuten. If you have products to sell, you can become a seller on Rakuten's e-commerce platform. You can set up your online store and list products for sale. 6. Rakuten Financial Services. Rakuten also offers various financial services, including banking, credit cards, and insurance. Depending on your financial goals and needs, you can explore these services. It's important to note that the specific opportunities for making money on Rakuten may vary, depending on your location and the services offered in your region. Also, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of any Rakuten program you wish to partake. I paid in, as they can differ between services and regions.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.